Normally I try to give you tech tips of things that could help you or make things better. This is the opposite of that. Do not do this. This is a bad idea. What I have here is the radiator in the Suzuki dump truck, which is leaking a little bit of coolant through this crack right here. You can see that dark line. That's where the coolant is oozing through it. The smart thing to do to repair this is to go over to your parts vehicle that has a perfectly fine radiator and take the radiator out of that and put it in this, and your entire problem's solved, along with the bonus of fixing the wired on fan shroud that this has. That would be the smart thing to do. That is not what I'm going to do. What I am going to do is try to repair this crack without taking the radiator out of the vehicle. Now, in the past, someone has glued over it with what looks like JB Weld, which did hold up for a while, but with heat cycling eventually it cracked and started leaking again. Now, I'm thinking that it's because JB Weld dries hard, and this is going to be expanding and contracting as the heat cycles it. So I'm thinking something soft would be the way to go, like silicone, gasket maker, blue goo, that kind of thing. Now that is not going to stick very well to this, especially when you have pressure of the radiator coming out and nothing behind it. So what I am going to do is drill holes through my radiator, attach a piece of metal with silicone in between it, so the silicone acts like a gasket rather than trying to seal it like a glue. I have no idea if this is going to work, but we'll find out. Who knows? It might be fun. Well, it's all warmed up and it looks good to go. So far so good. The radiator repair lasted for a while, but after a hard day of hunting firewood, it started leaking again. So I'm going to eventually have to swap the radiator out. That is antifreeze.